Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost Android earbuds with Samsung SmartThings instant fix step by step clearly. Open the SmartThings app on your Android device. If you haven't already, sign in with your Samsung account. Once logged in, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate your missing earbuds in the list of connected devices. If you can't find them, tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Add Device to search for new devices. Make sure your earbuds are powered on and in range. Once your earbuds appear, tap on them to connect. After connecting, return to the Devices tab. Tap on your earbuds to access their settings. Look for the Find My Device option within the settings. Select Play Sound to make your earbuds emit a sound. Listen closely to the sound to locate your earbuds. If you still can't find them, check nearby areas where you last used them. Repeat the sound feature if necessary for better chances of locating them. Once located, make sure to store your earbuds in a safe place. Consider enabling notifications for easier tracking in the future. This will ensure you can find your earbuds quickly next time. Remember to keep your SmartThings app updated for best performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.